is a 1980 short hood 359 glider kit that was never built. It's brand new.
0 miles?
0 miles. And we'll probably not build it. We don't know what we're going to do with it, but it's very unique, and so we'll keep it till we decide what we're going to do with it. Let's look at it.
Yeah. It definitely looks like it has 0 miles on it.
No, this is absolutely brand new.
It smells brand new.
It is. It's a 1980, and it's never been finished. It come out of California. We found it in California, and
It's beautiful.
Thank you. Over here is a 1934 Ford car that my grandson and son went with me. We went on a great race in 2006. We found that car in a barn 30 miles from here. It's been in a barn since 1950. And that's the original paint on that car. And so we took it on this great race. We went from Philadelphia to San Rafael, California, 4,400 miles in July. And it was very hot, but it was a great time. It was a lot of fun.